If you're constantly getting robot stuck errors and it can't move smoothly, you're not alone. This is the nightmare scenario for any Roborock S5 MAX owner, and it happens more often than you think. So what's the deal? It's often a sneaky combination of two problems: worn out tires and a faulty dirt bin sensor. The worn tires lose all their grip, causing the slipping and spinning. Meanwhile, the faulty sensor can randomly tell your robot its bin is full or detached, causing it to stop dead in its tracks. Ignoring this doesn't just mean a dirty floor. The constant struggle can burn out the wheel motors, leading to a much more expensive fix. It basically turns your smart vacuum into a dumb floor ornament. But don't worry, this is a completely fixable problem. At RoboCare, this type of robot vacuum repair is our specialty. Our technicians are specialists in robot vacuum repair and have serviced hundreds of S5 MAX units. We know this model's common failure points inside and out. It's rarely just one issue, which is why we run a multi-point diagnostic. This process allows us to pinpoint the dual culprits: the obvious worn-out tires and the hidden faulty dirt bin sensor. We don't just patch the problem, we provide a complete, lasting solution. We carefully replace both wheels with genuine tires to restore its powerful grip. Then, we meticulously replace the defective sensor, eliminating those random errors for good. Now we'll show you the incredible results of a professional RoboCare repair. After a quick RoboCare vacuum repair, look at it go. Perfect grip, non-stop cleaning, and performance that's good as new. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm so happy with the service from RoboCare. They didn't just fix my robot. They saved me from having to buy a new one, which saved me a ton of money. They were professional, fast, and they solved the problem completely. My Roborock is working just as well as the day I first bought it, maybe even better.
Don't let a malfunctioning robot vacuum slow you down. Contact us today for reliable, efficient repairs for your Roborock or any other brand. Trust RoboCare.